Moly, look at that.
I have 25 boxes of fideo.
Was that in preparation of this, or you just...
No, because every time I go to the store, do I have fideo? I don't think so. Put 4 boxes. I'm ready to start my tortilla. Get a little cup. This is just maybe a cup. And then my salt is right here.
Okay.
And you see it's just a puño.
Wow. What is a puño?
A pinch.
A pinch. Wow. Okay. I've never heard that.
And here's my baking powder. So right now I'm incorporating the salt in with the flours. And then I just go in here like my dad used to do. El puño.
Ah.
Now I have my manteca. And the manteca, I'm just going to drop it in here. I'm going to work it in. I'm going to move this to the side. Hot.
Okay, that is hot. That did burn me.
Yes, that's my hot water for the masa. I'm dipping some hot water in here.
What is the key to getting it semi-circled?
Balance this. If it's too high on that side, just roll that side. And then if it's too, just roll this way. That's the first tortilla right
Hey,
there.
love that, love that. So where should I start? Should I press
Punch
down?
it in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Now go out.
Okay.
Now turn it a quarter. Turn it a quarter.
Okay, how do I know when it's time to turn?
It'll start looking uneven at one point or one side.
It's doing it now.
Here's my first tortilla.
Hey! It's comal time.
Yes, don't burn yourself.
Looks delicious. How do you know when it's time to flip?
When the smoke, you see a little bit of smoke. I see a little bit of smoke right now.
So I watched you for 4 years. Beg, claw, hold babies, kiss grandpas. You know, whatever it took.
Ready?
Okay, let me show the camera my tortilla. Something was inside you that was driving you to go get it. What the hell was that?
I had the fire. The fire was in the gut. I was not going to allow my coworkers to go through time like I did. I had been treated badly by administration after administration after administration. And if I could come in, break all that down, and rebuild it, I was going to do it.
Oh, and I'm going to tell you guys at home this story because it's a fun one. So Mary Angie, we're driving. I'm driving down to Southwest Military. You're driving down Military too. We pass that HEB on Pleasanton. You catch me from a car. You're not an elected at this time. And I see you, and I say, pull over, pull over. Do you remember this day?
Yes, yes.
Tell people what happened next.
We went to have a pizza at Peter Piper's, and then we bumped cars. It was a fun time.
And you remember after that, we even went and go play Monopoly and stuff like that?
Yes.
What a nice day that was.
Yeah,
I want to appreciate you for that memory. And also, I would tell you when I was down and out that Mary Angie, you couldn't get a hold of me via the phone. You went and sat outside of my house for like an hour just to say hello, just to check on me, see what was going on at a time when no one was checking on me. I just want to say thank you for all of that. I appreciate it.
That's what friends are all about. Here's his tortilla.
Let me see my little tortilla.
It's hot.
Let's see. Okay. Oh, God. It is hot. All right, before we go, you're running for re-election. You're asking people to give you this position again. So what would you like to tell them?
I want to finish what we started, train the young blood. We're going to step back. They're going to step in, and it's going to be smooth as glass. Very good, Mary Angie. God bless you. Good luck to you. For you folks at home, thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. I could do a little fideo dance.